Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a book that changed the lives of millions and holds the blueprint for wealth. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Hill spent 20 years interviewing the world's most successful people, including Andrew Carnegie, to discover the universal principles of success. This isn't just about money. It's about the mindset that creates it. We've condensed these findings into 14 essential principles. Stick around, because mastering these will change your life forever. Phase 1, the power of thought and belief. 1. Desire, the starting point. Success begins with a passionate, burning desire. It must be specific, not just a vague wish. The 6-step action plan. Set a definite monetary goal, decide what you will give in return, set a time limit, create an immediate plan, write it down, and read it aloud twice daily while visualizing that you already possess the wealth. 2. Faith, belief in attainment. Develop unwavering belief in your ability to achieve your goals. Temporary defeat is your greatest enemy. Don't let doubt creep in. Unless mind programming. Your thoughts, repeated consistently, reach your subconscious mind. Use positive affirmations to program your mind for success and confidence. 3. Autosuggestion. This is the bridge between your conscious and subconscious mind. Thoughts must be mixed with emotion and feeling to be acted upon by the subconscious. Action tip. When you read your written goal, from Principle 1, truly feel the emotion and picture yourself using that money. The subconscious will then work 24/7. Phase 2. Tools for execution. 4. Specialized knowledge. General knowledge is great, but specialized knowledge, deep expertise in your chosen field, is the key to financial success. Now it's the Mastermind group. If your knowledge isn't enough, create a Mastermind group, a collective of people whose specialized skills complement your own. 5. Imagination. The mind is the workshop where all plans are formed. You possess both synthetic imagination, rearranging old ideas, and creative imagination, birthing new ones. Focus. Everything ever created started as a thought. What you can conceive and believe, you can achieve. Train your creative imagination to envision your success. 6. Organized planning. You must have an actionable plan in exchange for the money you desire. Start now, even if your plan isn't perfect. Trial and error is necessary. Leadership. The quality of your leadership is critical. Cultivate courage, self-control, and a pleasant personality to inspire cooperation. 7. Decision. Successful people make decisions quickly and change them slowly. Indecision is a major cause of failure. Action. Trust yourself and your judgment. Learn to rely on your own counsel, rather than constantly being swayed by the opinions of others. Phase 3. Mastery and higher intelligence. 8. Persistence, consistency. Persistence is the key differentiator. It is built upon willpower and is the ability to keep moving despite challenges. Quitters never win and winners never quit. Why is it hard? People quit because they lack desire, faith, organized plans, or a strong why. Focus on these factors to build unstoppable persistence. 9. The power of the mastermind. This principle emphasizes that combined knowledge and effort create a power greater than the sum of its parts. Use your mastermind group to generate collective wisdom. 10. The mystery of sex transmutation. Sexual energy is the most powerful human drive. By consciously channeling this energy, or transmuting it, into creative and intellectual pursuits, you increase your focus and creative potential dramatically. 11. The subconscious mind. The subconscious is the link between the finite mind of man and infinite intelligence. It accepts any thought, positive or negative, that is mixed with emotion. Technique. Use the invisible counselor technique, visualizing yourself consulting with historical figures you admire to seek guidance and insight. 12. The brain. The brain is both a broadcasting and receiving station for thought. Use autosuggestion and your creative imagination to broadcast your goal to the universe. 13. The sixth sense. This principle is achieved only after mastering the first 12. It is the spiritual side of your mind, providing you with intuition, a form of infinite intelligence protecting you and alerting you to opportunities. 14. Thoughts are things. This is the fundamental truth of the entire book. Every thought you hold, whether positive or negative, will eventually manifest as a reality in your life. Final message. The power to change your life is literally in your hands. Start today by defining your desire, mixing it with unshakable faith, and taking persistent, organized action. Remember the 14 principles: desire, faith, autosuggestion, specialized knowledge, imagination, planning, decision, persistence, mastermind power, sex transmutation, subconscious mind, the brain, sixth sense, and the realization that thoughts are things. The journey through Think and Grow Rich reveals that wealth is not a matter of luck or chance. It is the inevitable result of applying a precise, definable, and psychological philosophy. These principles are designed to transform your thoughts from fleeting desires into concrete, achievable reality. So there you have it, the complete philosophy of Think and Grow Rich. Napoleon Hill has given you the map, but only action can take you to the destination. The power to change your life is literally contained in the thoughts you choose to hold right now. Which of these principles resonated most strongly with you today? Are you going to master persistence? Or are you finally ready to activate your mastermind? Let us know in the comments below. We want to hear your defined purpose. If this summary gave you the clarity and the push you needed, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing book summaries. Remember, you are the master of your destiny. Now go and start thinking and growing rich.